If you have applied to 20, 30, or even 50 pharmacovigilance jobs and still no calls, you are not alone. But the reason might not be what you think. Most freshers think or believe that I'm not getting hired because I lack knowledge. Wrong. You are not failing because of knowledge. You are failing because of how you show it. You say you have done a course, but when asked what is a valid ICSR, what is seriousness, what is causality, you take a pause, you give textbook answers, and you sound unsure. And that's enough to reject you. Because recruiters don't hire certificates, they hire clarity under pressure. But wait, this is not the full story. Some of you watching this are actually good. You understand the basics, you have a decent resume, you can answer questions, okay, and still no interview calls. So, what's really happening? The first point, you are invisible. Your resume is not bad, it's just not seen. ATS filters, keywords mismatch. You are getting rejected before a human actually reads your CV or your resume. Next point is the market is currently crowded. Too many freshers, too many openings. Companies don't always pick the best. They sometimes pick the most convenient fit. If you sound like everyone else, same answers, same training, same wordings, no differentiation, there's equal to no recall. But there's one more problem that everybody is facing, the hidden hiring layer, referrals, internal hiring, or consultancies. Some roles are even filled before you even apply. So here's how you should think about this. If you're someone who is struggling with basics, stop applying for jobs right now. Fix your fundamentals. Practice until you can explain concepts clearly. Okay. But if you are someone who is already clear and still not getting calls, your problem is not knowledge. Your problem is visibility and positioning of your resume. You don't need another course. You need a better resume, better keywords, and better exposure to the market requirements. And once you understand which category you falls into, everything becomes easier. Some of you are not getting rejected. You are not even being seen. And no, it's not always your fault. But if you don't adapt, the system will ignore you. If you want, I'll show you exactly how you can fix your resume and position your profile for a better fit and to get an interview call. Stay tuned for the next video.